Let's see how to fix 100% disk usage in Windows. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks. The first step is to click on the Windows icon. Click on Run, here. Type services.msc. Click on Connected Devices Platform Service. Right-click on it. Go to Properties. Click here and set it to Disabled. Then click on Apply. Now, right-click again and select Stop. Next, search for sysmain and click on it. Right-click, go to Properties. Click here and set it to Disabled. Click on Apply. Then right-click again and select Stop. Now, go to the search bar and type CMD. Right-click and select Run as administrator. Here type sfc/scano and press Enter. Then, just wait for the process to complete. Finally, go here and search for Windows Update. Click on Check for Updates, and if there's anything to update, go ahead and update it. After that, restart your PC. And that's it. Thanks for watching.